There are days wherein we find ourselves feeling broken, beaten down beyond repair. Despite this, we still choose to move forward. We then realize we were never really broken. We endure, for there is more life left in us. At the end, we become something else. We become something more.